Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that uh, on your Score Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you this like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on time chip and calendar, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here, you come here to default class duration here, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you list like this here, and here can you select here default class duration in this list. You click here on select, and it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking